Now let us see the one problem based on elevation in boiling point. Okay, so how can we will be solve, student? When 10 gram of non-volatile solute is dissolved in 100 gram of benzene. So suppose one container is there, student. That is how much no non-volatile solute, that is W2 you are adding, that is 10 gram. And in how much W1 they have already given how many gram, student? That is 100 gram of benzene, right, student? It raises, what they are saying, student, it raises the boiling point by 1 degree. So delta TB they have given 1 degree Celsius. Then molecular mass of solute M2 they are asking, student, molecular mass of solute. Kb they have already given, student, that is 2.53. So what is the elevation in boiling point, student? Elevation in boiling point. What is formula of elevation is boiling point? If you solve, students, so you will be realize that is delta TB is equal to Kb into molality, Kb into molality, or you can say Kb into a small m, or you can say Kb equal into, that is what we can write is to N2 upon mass of solvent in kg, mass of solvent in kg. N2 is moles of, this is what, student, moles of solute. Okay, so how can you write that is moles of solute? So that is Kb into N2 means what, student? That is W2 upon M2. Okay, and their mass in kg, so 100 gram is there, student. W in gram, so if it is W in the gram is there, so it will be 1000, you have to multiply. So student, how can you be able to solve this one? You let us put the value. Kb value they have given, student. How much is Kb value? 2.53. So we can write here, student, 2.53 multiply by W2. W2 how much is there, student? W2 10 gram. W2 10 gram. And that is multiply by, here 1000 is there in the formula. So 1000 divided by M2. M2 they are asking, student. W, if you are talking about W in how many gram? 100 gram they have already given. So let us erase some part of the question, student, to know, because the space is very less here. For calculation point of view, I am erasing this. So here what are the values we got, student? What are the values we got? So if you talk about the values, student, if you talk about the values, so let us write, student, values. So delta TB is already given. Delta TB is equal to how much we got, student? That is 2.53 into 10 gram into 1000 gram divided by M2 they are asking, student. M2 into 100 is there. So this 100 and 20 is cancel out. So how much is there, student? Delta TB is 1 degree Celsius. Okay, so better what we can do, student, better we are taking this, this M2 I am taking this side. So if you are taking M2 this side, so M2 is equal to, it will come 2.53 multiply by how much? 100 divided by 1 into 1. This 1 degree will go downside. So how much is coming, student? 2.53 into 100. So that is 253 gram. Okay, gram per mole it will come. So which one is the correct option, student? 223, 43, 33, 253 gram per mole. This is the correct answer, required answer, student. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Thank you so much. Okay, now let us move for another question, student. What is they are saying? The molar elevation constant is the ratio of the elevation in boiling point to so what is that is they are saying delta TB is equal to Kb into M. They are saying molar elevation constant. So Kb is what, student? This is molar elevation constant. Molar elevation constant. This is the molar elevation constant. So how can you be able to solve, student? See, so Kb is equal to what? That is delta TB upon molality. So that is molar elevation constant is what is, that is elevation in boiling point. Elevation is boiling point divided by molality. So that is, what is the ratio of Kb? Okay. So when you are talking about the Kb, so ratio of Kb is the ratio of elevation in boiling point and molality. So that is, what could be the option? Elevation in boiling point and molality. Correct option will be option number 2. Thank you so much for watching, friends.